Okay, here's how to make a structure and frame in Minecraft. Step 1. Choose a location. First, choose where you want to build your structure. Make sure you have enough space and that it is a level surface. Step 2. Choose a design. Then choose what kind of structure you want to make. You can draw your idea on paper or improvise as you go. Ensure that you have all the necessary materials for the design. Step 3. Build the frame. Now, build the frame of the structure using your chosen materials. You can use planks, bricks, or any other materials you want. Ensure that the frame is sturdy and level. Step 4. Add supports. Add supports to the frame of the structure. You can use wooden or iron bars, or anything sturdy enough to support the structure. Step 5. Add walls and roofs. After you have added supports, start building walls and roofs. You can use wooden planks or any other materials that fit your design. Ensure that your walls and roofs are high enough and connect them securely to the frame. Step 6. Finish up. Once you have added the walls and roofs, add special features such as staircases, ladders, and windows. You can also decorate and customize as you see fit. Ensure that everything is safe and secure. Congratulations! You have successfully built a structure and frame in Minecraft. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos.